In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a page in Notion. Whether you're preparing a document for a meeting or just want a hard copy of your notes, this guide will walk you through the steps quickly and easily. First, let's navigate to your connected workspace on Notion. This is where you manage all your wikis, documents, and projects. If you're not familiar with the layout already, take a moment to explore the main dashboard. It's the hub of all your activity in Notion, and knowing your way around it will be beneficial not just for printing tasks, but for everything you do in the app. Next, go ahead and click on the Login button. If you aren't already logged in, this is your gateway to accessing all your Notion files. Simply enter your credentials, and you'll be directed to the Notion home, your central starting point, once you've logged in. Once you've reached your Notion home, you'll want to locate and select the resume template or any specific page that you intend to print. The resume template is a good example because it's a common document that people often need in hard copy. However, feel free to apply these instructions to any other page in your workspace. After selecting the desired page, look for the three-dot icon. It's typically located at the top right corner of your document. Clicking it reveals a drop-down menu with several options related to page settings and actions. In this drop-down menu, you'll find the export option. Click on it. The export feature is incredibly versatile, allowing you to convert your Notion page into various formats. For printing purposes, exporting as a PDF is often the best choice. PDFs preserve the formatting and layout of your document, ensuring that what you see on your screen is exactly what gets printed on paper. Once you click Export, a dialog box will appear prompting you to select a format. Choose PDF from the list of available options and confirm your selection. Depending on the size and content of your document, the export process might take a little time. Once it's done, save the PDF file to your preferred location on your computer. Now, with your document saved as a PDF, the final step is to open it using any PDF reader, such as Adobe Acrobat or even your web browser. From there, simply hit the Print button. Ensure your printer settings are correct, and print your document. And there you have it. You've successfully printed a page from Notion. This straightforward method ensures you're never more than a few clicks away from getting a high-quality paper copy of your digital notes. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips on mastering your online tools.